I'm Ruby, and welcome to the Big Tech Taster Day.
Well, we're doing what's called a Year 8 Technology Taster Day. Students in Year 8 are off timetable for the whole day, and they're either working in product design or textiles. In textiles, they're making sock animals, and over here in product design, we're making Mondrian lamps, where they're going to solder their own LED circuit, make their base, and make a net template for the lampshade.
And why have you curated this Taster Day?
Well, the whole idea is to give them an opportunity to experience a part of technology that they haven't already trialled, so that they can make an informed decision at GCSE. They seem to be doing a lot of it is individual work, but they'll be working together collaboratively to come up with creative ideas as well. So it's developing their STEM skills, their STEAM skills with creativity, but also, just like I said, giving them a chance to trial GCSE.
What have you enjoyed the most about the Tech Taster Day so far?
I've enjoyed spending the day with my friends designing.
I've enjoyed creating my design.
And what are you doing right now?
I'm currently finishing off my final design.
I'm rendering my final design.
What have you liked best about the Tech Taster Day?
So far, my favourite part has been soldering the USB cord to our LED lamp, and it was really fun because we got to use these hot soldering irons.
And what are you doing right now?
Right now, I'm working on my final design for our lamp.
They look really good. Keep up the good work.